Welcome back to WTOL 11 Your Day. Imagine a gorgeous summer night. You're out with your family, moonroof open, cruising the countryside, and wham, out of nowhere, your car is assaulted by another vehicle. So what should happen next? Andrea Young from Charles Boyk Law joins us with what to take into consideration if you're involved in a crash. Good morning. Thanks for joining us today.
Hi, good morning, Amanda.
So you have a handy little tool for people to use, just in case they're in this emergency situation. I think, we might get into a crash and all logic kind of goes out the window, doesn't it?
It does. So our office is giving away these auto insurance card holders. They're really nice because they keep your card from being crumbled up in your glove box or wherever you keep it. But it also gives nice little steps to take. So the very first step, stay calm, I know is not the most impulsive. I was in an accident about a year ago, so I know firsthand that you don't necessarily want to stay calm at first. But if you can stay calm and then kind of go through these steps, this really is an effective way and the way we would like to see our clients kind of handle the situation.
My mom worked in insurance for a long, long time, and one of the things that she always told me is if you get into an accident, never say you're sorry or it was your fault. And that's
Correct.
One of the steps here too.
Yeah, so that is the next step, step number 2. So fault is really a legal conclusion. So people don't necessarily think of that. They just get into an accident and start saying, I'm sorry, I didn't see you, this or that. Let the attorneys and the adjusters handle that. But once you start saying things, it makes our job more difficult to undo that.
So just kind of keep your mouth shut, right? But you do want to make sure that everybody is okay.
Absolutely. Yeah, so now is not the time to be the tough guy because your claim is based on your damage to yourself, your own personal injury. So if you are injured, now is the time to speak up about your injuries and to get the medical treatment that you need.
So if you or a passenger is injured, call for that ambulance and seek that medical care. There's also a lot of information that you need to write down. What information is important?
Sure. So typically we hope that the police come out to the scene and that they take all the information down, but that doesn't always happen. So definitely get the full names of the other parties involved, of the other people driving who were in the accident. If you can get their address, their phone number, definitely their insurance information. So that is crucial that we get their insurance information. Again, if it's on the crash report, that's great, but that doesn't always happen, or sometimes it doesn't come out right away. So if you're able to speak with the other person, don't admit fault or say anything along those lines, but get their insurance, name, address, phone number at the very minimum.
And then you also want to make sure you get some license plate numbers and also take pictures as well.
Yes, so it's true what they say, a photo's worth 1,000 words. That's really 100% accurate. That's one of the first things I ask for in my intakes, just because it really does lend truth to the matter. It shows the impact, it shows the severity. It also can show details and evidence that might not come across in words or on the crash report. So take as many photos as you can. If you're not able to and you have a family member or someone present, have them take photos, but don't just rely on the police because they don't always get a chance or don't always take photos.
But as far as, providing any information regarding the crash, that would be only to the police. You don't want to talk to the folks who were involved.
Yep, if you can, keep it short and simple. Give your statements to the police officer, but don't go talking to everyone else on scene. If there are witnesses, though, go over to them, try to get their not their insurance information, but their contact details. That might help us in the long run as well.
Yeah, you might want to give them a call, in the next day or two to get some more information about what they saw that could help you out. So again, tell us how folks can get that little handy dandy holder.
Yes. So contact our office. We have a contact bar on our website. You are able to go there. If you can't find that, you're more than welcome to contact our office by phone, 419-241-1395. But we do have a nice little site on our website. You can go put your information in and we'll send you one of these.
And as you mentioned, it's really nice because the insurance cards they give you are the little piece of paper, and you're trying to stick them in your wallet. They get ripped when you're trying to pull them out. So that is actually a nice way to just keep them safe and protected there and just keep them in your glove box. Andrea, thank you so much for joining us this morning.
Thank you.
Yep, take care.